Ilangudi Mara Nayanar was a farmer. Maranar was his name and he lived in the village of Ilayangudi. He was a great devotee of Lord Shiva and his devotees. He took the greatest pleasure in serving the devotees of Lord Shiva. This sadhana was known as Maheshwara Puja, the one who worships the devotees of Maheshwara or Lord Shiva. Any devotee of Lord Shiva, this Nayanar used to actually welcome them. He used to prostrate before them, wash their hands and feet, also give them a seat, and he worshipped them with flowers, dhupa deepa and nevedya, pleasing them with his very sweet words, thanking the Lord for this opportunity, and he would accompany the guest for some distance while sending them away as well. He considered offering them food to be a great virtue, something which he always wanted to do. Offering devotees the food had purified his heart, and Lord Shiva was extremely pleased with the Nayanar's devotion. He wanted to show to the world that his devotees would be undaunted even by the worst calamity, and he would remain unshaken in his virtue. Nayanar's wealth dwindled away or melted away. His wealth had left him, but not his virtue. On the contrary, his devotion to the Lord and his devotees grew more and more intense. Nayanar sold all his properties and he had to sell even himself in those days in order to serve the devotees of the Lord. It so happened that one fine day it was raining heavily. The Nayanar and his wife themselves were starving. No one came forward to help them. Finally, he had just bolted the door and he was about to fall asleep. Just then he heard a knock, and upon opening it, he found the Shiva Bhakta. She was devotee, standing in front of this house, drenched with rain. The Nayanar at once took the guest inside his home, dried his body and gave him fresh clothes to wear. And he requested the devotee to actually have some food which he would be preparing very soon. The Nayanar told his wife of his predicament. There was nothing to offer to the devotee of the Lord. But the devout wife suggested the Nayanar could go back to the backyard and collect the grain seeds that they had sown the very same day. Nayanar accepted the suggestion. On account of the heavy rain, the grain started floating, and it was extremely easy for the Nayanar to collect it in a basket. As soon as he brought the grains, the wife dried them, crushed them with the help of some green vegetables which were just available in their own backyard, cooked a nice dinner for the guest. Nayanar was extremely happy, and when he went to awaken the guest, he discovered that the guest has disappeared. At the same time, the Nayanar and his wife saw in the sky Lord Shiva, who had actually come in the form of a devotee, and Mother Parvati, showering their blessings on him and his wife. The Lord finally did tell him, "You are one of the greatest noble soul. I am extremely pleased with your devotion. You will soon attain my abode and live there forever." Thank you. We would see you in the next Nayanar story.